Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to run a new function of the V5 sunlight. Okay, let's get right into it. So roughly this is my floor plan, how it looks like. Okay, look like this. Okay, okay. We press into render. You'll see lighting, which is like this. Sunlight shine. The sun shine in every space or customized. So what does this mean is for every space it will look something like this. So let's say this is your window and your chair, okay, your furniture, okay. When you render, okay, let us show you the result. Okay, this is my this side and this is my another side. Okay, window is here and this is my furniture. Okay, when I press render, it will look something like this. Okay, let's wait into the result. All right, next we go into customization. Okay, back then we will see our light, where's our sunlight. You see here something like this. Okay, then you have to adjust here, correct or not? That's back then. Okay, now you can just actually come here, press this, find where's the sunlight, just your sunlight, select your sunlight, you can move it around. Okay, so that's what I use for this space. Okay, I don't want to up, I can go down a bit. Okay, I can go left. Okay, back then you can adjust from here, but now I can just direct use this. Okay, maybe I want it brighter, come to this direction more. So I can just select this, go into more into middle. Okay, so got two sides. Okay, I can go even though like this. Then I press render. Okay, then for this case, this one will become this side. Then here have, there don't have. So this is what does customize do lah. Okay. So the difference between customize and shine into every space. Okay. Okay, I done render already. So here's the result. So this is for the two every space. It will look something like this. For these two come from every space. So I did not set the sunlight. It will look something like this. Okay. After that, I set the sunlight direction. See, you come out the direction like this, and this one don't have. Okay. So this is more towards this one. Of course, if you want to set the brightness, it's here. See, the brightness and shadow. This is for the adjust the sunlight, and then the temperature. Okay, thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.